dropped something already. Okay, hi. We are in my YouTube room for a quick vlog update. Today is Wednesday. I am sorry about the noise. Our fans to dry out our flood are still going. Well, the dehumidifier is going. I turned off the fans just for a hot second to film this, but the dehumidifier is still going, and Steven is currently playing Sonic with his brother. So if you hear like yelling, that's what it is. He's fine. Yesterday was pretty chill. Steven did some homework, I did some editing. Steven made like bootleg shepherd's pie because it was St. Patrick's Day. It was just mashed potatoes, peas, cheese, and like chicken breast, and it was so good. Oh my goodness, it was good. Y'all, Steven is a master chef. So we had that for St. Patrick's Day. We had some decaf iced coffee with Bailey's, and then we started watching a few YouTube videos. The guys from Corridor Crew, which we are subscribed to, we like their videos a lot. They were doing like guess the Disney movie based on audio only. So we were like kind of playing along, like trying to guess, and then we found our own YouTube videos that were like similar. So I think we did like guess the DreamWorks movie from its like main theme, and like guess the Nickelodeon cartoon from its theme song. Really, really fun, which you saw all of that. Today has been really chill. Steven made me a really good breakfast sandwich with a bagel I had left over. It's the sun-dried tomato bagel from Bagel Boys in Atlanta, and it is the best bagel of all time. And then Steven has been playing Sonic all day long with his brother. That was like one of their goals, was to beat the old, I believe it's like the Sonic game for the GameCube. You can't like play together online, but they are on the phone with each other, so they're both like playing it, and when one person like reaches the level before another, they just like pause and wait for the other one to catch up. It's really cute. And I have just been like going crazy trying to write out the script for the video that I was going to film today, which I don't think is gonna happen. I was supposed to film my review of FabFitFun. The like carpet steamer people came and he checked the moisture levels in the hallway and in the bathroom. The bathroom is good. There's no more moisture in the bathroom. We just have a hole in the wall, but there is still moisture in our hallway. So we have the dehumidifier and 2 fans plus a fan in our bedroom all blowing that area. So it's just like, it's so loud in our apartment. It's so loud. I'm just gonna have to wait till tomorrow or maybe even Friday. It's fun. We love having fans for, you know, like half your time in self-quarantine. So, oh, but I wanted to show you, I was gonna do a review of my first FabFitFun box, but then they sent me my second one like 2 days ago, so I thought I would show you on this vlog. Let's go get it. All right, I got it. It's the spring box. Let's see what we got. I need a sharp object. Ooh, all right, here's the flyer so I can look at what I didn't get. Ooh, a HelloFresh card. 9 free meals. They have this code all the time, so I don't know why they gave me a card, because literally they're always advertising 9 free meals, but whatever. I dropped something already. Okay, well, first thing that flew out of the box. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon? What is this? Multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Relaxant pour les mains et le corps. Hands and body. Okay, so this is like a body lotion, not like a face lotion. That's kind of nice, except for I just use like Jergens lotion after showering. So, you know what though? I've been washing my hands like a crazy person. Haven't we all? So it is nice to have some extra hand cream around, because when you're washing your hands, you know they get real dry and you need some hand lotion. So looks like we got a brush. It's a hairbrush. How much is this hairbrush? I buy my hairbrushes at TJ Maxx for like $5. So what makes this hairbrush special? Where's the link? Oh, here we go. This hairbrush costs $35. Why?
Why?
I mean, it's pretty, but I guess we'll have to use it to compare. Let's read my horoscope. I'm a Sagittarius. Succulent garden. With boundless energy and a free spirit, she needs an easygoing plant that requires minimal TLC. Oh, this is like what house plant you should get based on your zodiac. Hey, succulents are hard to kill, so, you know, I'm here for it. moving on. Ooh, straws. Aw, I do love reusable straws. One year for Christmas, Steven bought me a whole bunch of reusable straws. I'm using one now in my White Claw. So, I mean, I love a good straw. I think these are, yeah, I like that these are silicone and they're collapsible too. So like you can like just shove them in your water bottle when you need to close the lid. That's kind of nice. I personally love drinking out of a straw. If you're finding it's hard to get like your daily 8 glasses of water or however much water you're supposed to drink a day. I don't know what it is now. But if you want to drink more water, I suggest getting a straw. I drink so much water and it is always out of a straw. Big fan. Moving on. Ooh, makeup finishing spray. Scandinavia. Oh, like Scandinavia? That's funny. I usually use like the NYX finishing spray, so this is good to just have extra spray around. Ooh, coin necklace. Ooh, this is exciting because I have been looking for coin necklaces. This necklace was 50 doll hairs. Let's put her on like Donkey Kong. See, this is what I hate about double strand. They always get tangled up. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, could you detangle yourself, ma'am? Yo, I'm happy with this. I have been hunting for a cute coin necklace that wasn't like a piece of crap, so hopefully this doesn't tarnish or anything. We'll see how long it lasts. That's cute. I like it. That's cute. Moving on. Oh, why is this open? Pulled it out of the pack like that. Oh goodness. I don't know if I should use this. So you can kind of see how some of the orange has bled into the blue. I think it's just a manufacturing like mistake, and then they didn't close the lid all the way. I don't know. What is this? Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm. Give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. $18. Oh, you know what? I do like lip products. And by lip products, I mean Vaseline tubes. That's my favorite lip product. Okay, let's try on this like sweater thing. This is not my style. It's more of like my mom's style. It's kind of nice to like cover your butt though, like when you're wearing leggings and you want to cover up. Actually, my mom would really like this. Maybe I'll give it to her as a present. I think this one's a miss. Let's see. It retails for $99. This thing is $100. Maybe I can sell it on Poshmark. The last thing I'm very excited about, actually, it is packing cubes. And they're so cute. Look, they're a cute color and a cute pattern. I don't own any packing cubes, and I know like people swear by them and they love them, so I'm very happy to get this set. This is a hit, not a miss. It comes with 3, small, medium, and large. And this is $40. $40 for 3 packing cubes? I know for a fact you can get like 20 packing cubes for $40 on Amazon. But at least I have these now and they're very cute color. All right, everyone go back in your box. I think except for the sweater, I think I liked this box more than the winter box. I don't know, I'll have to give you an update after I do my review of the winter box. Whew. Okay, in case I forget to say goodnight, I think we're gonna go over to our friend's house tonight. I know social distancing is still very important. However, we are like just gonna go straight there and not interact with anyone else. And it's only our friends who are not elderly and do not have compromised immune systems. So we should be okay. And we're gonna wash our hands and desanitize everything, and I'm gonna try and not touch my face at all. Okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe. Bye, y'all. Thank you very much.
Wait, did you ask for beans?
Yeah, I know it's gonna be black beans, but
Looks
it's
like
beans! It's
refried
refried! Oh, yes, I'm so excited. We haven't had Taco Bell in so long, so treat yourself.
I mean,
did it tear to you or no?
well, I was
just like ate it.
I was eating in my lap, so like it was a little bit messy, but it tore easy enough.
It is Thursday today. Sorry, you can hear the dehumidifier. We had a lot of fun last night at our friend's house. There was only like 8 of us. We watched Survivor. We sat around and drank. It was really nice. It is so dry in here and I'm feeling a little under the weather. Throat is really sore because it is so dry in here. So I'm making some tea right now. I thought I would show y'all how I make a Starbucks medicine ball at home. And if you don't know what a medicine ball is, it is a drink at Starbucks that's peach and mint tea. And I had never heard of it until I watched this IGTV like tutorial. I'll post it, link it down below. I decided to try it at Starbucks. I ordered a medicine ball, and then since then I've always made it at home, and it is so good. It's a way to like elevate your tea game and make it so you actually drink your tea. Yeah. Okay, hi, welcome to this little setup over here. So I usually put it in a Tervis. This is a Disney Tervis. So I'm gonna start with lemonade. I'm using this Simply lemonade, but literally any lemonade will do. Starbucks does about half lemonade, half water. I'm only gonna do like a quarter bit of lemonade. Just like that. So Starbucks steams their lemonade. So if you want, you could put this in the microwave and just heat it up. But I'm really lazy and I just leave it cold because the tea is hot anyway. So, and our tea is ready. I hear my teapot. So now I'm gonna add some honey. If you don't eat honey, you can always add agave. Agave is really good too. Honey's good because it's antibacterial, or at least that's what my doctor told me. This is just Walmart honey, but if you buy honey from the farmer's market and it's really, really local, it helps with seasonal allergies. So I'm gonna add that. I like a lot of honey. Then you're gonna mix your peach tea and some mint tea. Starbucks actually uses Teavana teas that you can buy in the grocery store. I just don't buy them because they're usually pretty expensive. I've always had really good results with these guys, so, and they're cheap. And then you just add your water. Almost stir it up. And there you have it, an at-home Starbucks medicine ball. It's caffeine free. I drink it literally anytime I feel like a little bit of a cold or a sore throat or, you know, a certain virus. Not saying a medicine ball can cure you from the plague, but it's nice to drink. Okay. Okay, hi, it is Thursday night. It's pretty late. It's actually 10:36, but I just wanted to give a recap of today and say goodnight to y'all. Today was kind of a lost day. I think I showed you my breakfast this morning, which is my favorite combo of oatmeal and granola, which is my favorite way to make oatmeal with frozen raspberries and granola. And then I showed you how I make my Starbucks medicine ball tea at home. I have just been feeling very under the weather. I've just been feeling crappy all day. My only symptoms are a sore throat and like some chills and some aches and pains, which to me sounds like classic sinus infection Maddie. So I kind of like took it easy all day. I mean, who knows? It could be the virus, but don't have tests to test if it's COVID-19, so I can't get tested. And I honestly don't think it is. I think it's what Steven had and then he gave it to me. I'm just showing symptoms a little bit later than him. And I get colds all the time. I don't have a fever. I don't have shortness of breath. I don't have a dry cough. I don't have any like corona symptoms. So I think it's just a little cold. I've been taking it easy all day. We watched all of The Pharmacist on Netflix. It's only like 4 episodes, so it's maybe like a 5-hour commitment. Oh my god, it's so good. So the first episode of The Pharmacist starts out with a man trying to solve the murder of his son, and he does it. He does it in a year and a half. It is so like quick. He doesn't get much like help from the police because his son died in like a bad drug deal, like a drug deal gone wrong. But after he solves his son's murder, he is a pharmacist. He works at like a very small, like local family pharmacy, and he starts noticing lots of people are coming in with prescriptions for Oxycontin. He like blows the lid off the whole like opioid epidemic. It was so interesting. Highly recommend that. And now we're about to go to bed and watch McMillions, which I believe is about the Monopoly game at McDonald's and how some people like cheated the system to get rich. I only know a little bit, but I'm very excited to start it. And then for the rest of the day, I've been editing videos. I spent a really long time trying to make a cool vlog intro, which you've already seen now. So still have the fans going, the dehumidifier's on, and we will have to go grocery shopping. I'm officially out of probiotics, which I take every day. Yeah, I think that's it. My plans are the same, to kind of just rest and relax and edit. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Bye, y'all.